GoPro start recording. I'm showing you guys the triple suction holder for GoPro, and this is the one of the that's the part where the suction is like, that's three of them is in the other side. I don't know if you can see it. So that's how it looks like. The GoPro holder right here, right there, the that's where the 360 degrees you can turn the GoPro adapter for cars. This is more like stable than the getting one of those like single suction type, and you can use this one out in outside, but I wouldn't recommend it. So that's all, folks.